In this video, we are going to solve limit graphically. We have this problem here, says to find the limit of the function and you are given a graph. So for the first one, you have to remember when you have a plus, that means you are approaching from this side. And when you have a minus, that means you are approaching from this side. Okay, here minus 2. The first thing I do, I find minus 2. Minus 2, it's here, minus 2. Now, is from left or right? So I'm approaching from the right side, from this side, because it's plus, right? So I come, this is the graph. I go like this, but I have to go from the graph until I get to minus 2. That means the value that I get, the y value is 0. Just like that. Solved. Now for B. B, I have to find the number, is 2. This is number 2, it is here. Now it's from minus, right? I'm approaching from this side. From this side, the graph is from this line. Approach from here. And then I stop at 2. Gives me 2. The y value is 2. C. C also is limited to, I'm approaching from the positive side. Approaching from this side, I have to use this line here. This line. I come, stop here. The value I get, the y value, is minus 1. Now I have to find F2. F2 is the value where x equal to 2 is defined. For example, at x equal to 2, I have 2 points, but this is open. This is open. There is a hole here, but this is closed. That means F2 equal to 2, because this is closed and here there is a hole. So that's how you evaluate limits graphically. Let's see another example. We have this example here to find the limit. Okay, this is the same as writing 1 if it's different than 4. If x less than 4 and x greater than 4. It is equal to 1 in this interval. When x equal to 4, we get minus 1. If you were to plot it, you get x4 here, you have 2 y's, and you have minus 1. Now, if x less than 4, you have 1, right? Until here is open. And if x greater than 4, you also have 1, like that. But when x equal to 4, you have minus 1. It's closed, included. So if you are solving for limit x, I have to evaluate the limit for minus side and limit x approaching from the positive side. And then if they get the same value, that's the answer. If I approach from this side, I get the value here of 4 approaches to 1. And if I approach from this side, the value is also 1. That means the limit x approaches 4, fx equal to 1. But notice that f at 4 equal to minus 1. So that means when you are solving for limits, you just care about the values that you get from approaching from the left and from the right, and they should be the same to have a limit.